I think
kana to kwanda la siasa ya Gusii omo senator emere mwaye
Senator Richard Onyonka. Again, take a time and congratulations. No, I rated number 1 as one of the most vocal, nice, very transparent and open senator. Understand? Richard stands for the interest of the people. Understand? That's why if Richard could be a double speaking person, Richard could be rich if he needed money. But the truth of the matter, Richard has stood and he has realized Kenya. And that's why Bakumo frame as a national figure. So everything that Richard raises, okonyora abantu abange bawadmaya uri comment ya debateka ku mwana yombuya Richard yotokonyera muna bone igeme chandere Kisii county you saw barangir governor up as a senate because maybe there is a problem in the books of accounts so here he goes there Richard tabu atinga ki ngago senko boli simbe bintebiga governor no borro he's asking because I've got interest yo Gusii. That's why funa kwamba uliko ya Richard he's been preparing Fred Matiang'i because he understood the policies, the agenda and the plans Fred Agwata for this country. Not personally because they go konyaka. No nyote betenga ta ko aise ko bate goro bisi area ta mo goro morangu state house na kwante gento ketegari. He said because now he expect kera ko gendo amotebinga asnara gwate Fred to sie ko morangu tiganya go kwenyuria so that yaganya na bakenya buronge. Yes.